Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete your Tango app account. Before moving ahead with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you get notified each time we upload the video. Deleting your Tango app account will permanently delete all the datas of your account as well. First, open your Tango app, then tap on circle or profile icon on top left section. Then you can see account in settings. Tap on account. At the very last option, you can see delete account option. Tap on the delete account. With that, you need to again press on delete account. Tango then asks you the reason that you want to leave Tango. You can choose any of the reasons, or you can also write your own reason that you want to leave the account. After selecting the particular reason, tap on delete account. Then Tango account provides you with terms and conditions that your account will be deleted in 30 days. If you log in before, your account will be reactivated automatically. Tap on confirm account deletion to delete the account. With that, your Tango account will be deleted. If you like today's video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.